Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to update Wi-Fi on Google Home. Let's go. Open Google Home app. Choose your device. Settings. Device information. Wi-Fi. Forget network and remove device. After that, reset your device to factory settings. Is it necessary to make a reset? Let's check it out. Here's what happens if you don't reset the settings. After the settings are reset, open the Google Home app, Devices, Add, Google Nest or Partner Device. Choose a home, wait, choose your language. Choose Room and choose New Wi-Fi network. Enter Wi-Fi password. After that, complete the device setup. That's it. Now you know how to update Wi-Fi on Google Home. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.